Hi there, students! Ready to get started with your mini hydroponic gardens? Let's set up our hydroponic growing system so that we can get growing. Step 1. Open your box. Take all of the contents out and set them aside. In your box, you will have a green envelope with seed packets and instructions, 12 grow stickers, a system manual, a lighting panel, and your hydroponic system base. Remove the plastic and styrofoam packaging from all of the device parts. Next, remove the tape from the system base and carefully pull off the film from the lighting panel. But do not remove any arrow stickers, as these will help us during assembly. Lift the grow deck lid from the system base and find 2 bags of grow sponges with 12 sponges each, enough for 2 growing cycles. 1 bag including 12 white grow baskets, 12 grow domes, and a water meter cover, and you will also have 2 bottles of nutrients, 1 labeled A and 1 labeled B. We won't need these until after our seeds germinate in a couple of weeks. 24 plant support rods in case your plants need extra support to grow tall and strong, plant labels, 6 seed packets including basil, thyme, oregano, spinach, parsley, and mint, 1 power cord, and 1 expandable metal rod, the lighting rod. Step 2. Before assembling your hydroponic system, your soil pods will need to be prepared for planting. To do this, soak 12 of your soil pods in a bowl of water for 5 minutes before putting them in the hydroponic growing system. This will soften them and get them ready to help your seeds. Set the soil pods aside to soak, while you wait, continuing assembling your hydroponic device. Step 3. Unwrap your power cord and insert it into the bottom port that is found at the bottom of your water tank. Put the grow deck cover back onto the system base. Step 4. Insert the small side of the expandable lighting rod into the top light panel, lining up the arrow stickers and pressing firmly to connect. Then, take your lighting rod and panel and connect it to the base, aligning the arrows and pressing firmly to ensure a proper connection. Now, your hydroponic system should look like this. Step 5. Install the water level indicator in its place like this. The gray water tank cover lid is on the other side of the grow deck and will be used later to add additional water and necessary nutrients throughout your growing season. We will learn how to add nutrients to our system in a future video. The water tank lid can be tricky to remove as it doesn't twist. It has to be popped out. It's important to note that the lighting rod in your system is adjustable. Throughout the growing process, we will need to raise the lighting panel to adjust for the height of the plants. You can do this by simply grabbing firmly to the rod and slowly pulling up to raise the lighting panel. And there you go! Your hydroponic system is assembled. Now that we have set up our hydroponic device, it is time to start planting our seeds. I'll see you in the next video to start the planting process. Bye now!